everyone, I'm Adnan. So I hope everyone is quite well. So today I'm going to show you how to use Python strings. So let's open my Python ideal shell. And then what I'm going to do, so let's print something. Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about a string in Python. Hello everyone. Then I'm typing. Okay, so then. So I'm typing hello world, hello everyone. I'm typing hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Adnan. So for suppose what you want to do. So I want to slice this. So if I want to slice this, how I can do it? I just need to type B and then third bracket and the way I want to slice. So 2 to 5 and then yeah. So now or then B 1:5. Then okay. So then what will it then if you want to modify your string, so I want a dot also print a dot upper, a dot upper, print B dot on the upper. If you want to start Python and what with full pace for running or creating application, you need to first focus on strings and you have to remember this string function. Then suppose you want to encode. Okay, so what you need to do is that you just need to type b dot encode. So thank you all, best of luck. And if you find my videos helpful, keep watching my videos.